The following tools are the foundation of your cybersecurity and IT resilience. These aren't just tech tools. They are business enablers that keep your operations secure, compliant, and running smoothly. Think of this as your 24/7 digital maintenance crew. It keeps an eye on all your computers and servers, making sure they're healthy, up to date, and running efficiently. It helps us catch issues before they become problems, like spotting a failing hard drive or outdated software, so your team stays productive and downtime is minimized. This is your frontline defense against viruses, malware, and ransomware on every device your team uses. It protects your business from cyber attacks that could steal data, lock you out of systems, or cost you thousands in recovery. This tool filters out phishing emails, spam, and malicious attachments before they ever reach your inbox. Since email is the #1 way hackers get in, this tool keeps your team safe from clicking on the wrong thing. This strictly stores and manages all your team's passwords in one place with strong encryption and access controls. No more sticky notes, no more reused passwords. It effectively reduces the risk of breaches caused by weak or stolen credentials. This blocks access to dangerous websites and prevents malware from communicating with hackers, even before it reaches your network. It acts like a security checkpoint for your internet traffic, stopping threats before they even get to your door. This provides regular training to your employees on how to spot phishing, scams, and other cyber threats. This is advanced threat detection that monitors device behavior and responds to suspicious activity in real time. If something slips past the antivirus, EDR catches it and stops it before it spreads. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification when logging in, like a code on your phone. So even if a password is stolen, MFA keeps your account safe. This is an application that actively monitors for unusual login behavior or identity misuses across your systems. It helps prevent unauthorized access and insider threats before they cause damage. This stops sensitive data like customer info or financials from being accidentally or intentionally sent outside your organization. It protects your reputation and helps you stay compliant with regulations like HIPAA or GDPR. This secures smartphones and tablets used for work, whether they are company-owned or personal devices. Since your team works from anywhere, this ensures their mobile access is secure and compliant. This controls and monitors access to your most sensitive systems and data, especially for admin or executive level users. These accounts are prime targets for attackers. This tool ensures only the right people have access and only when they need it. This collects and analyzes logs from all your systems to detect threats and compliance issues in real time. It's like having a security camera for your digital environment, watching everything and alerting us to anything suspicious. This is a team of cybersecurity experts monitoring your system 24/7, ready to respond to threats immediately. You get enterprise-grade protection without having to build your own security team. It is peace of mind around the clock.